बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here with you with our lesson number 4 of Basics of English Grammar. In this lesson we will learn about the phrase and the clause. So first of all, look at the phrases like on the wall, across the river, in the van. Such a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called phrase. So these are the examples of phrase. So when we have some sense of something but not complete sense, कुछ सेंस हो रही होती है, मिल रही होती है, बट हमें पूरी तरह अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पाते कि बात क्या हो रही है. दैट्स कॉल्ड एज फ्रेज. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर in the given sentence. The sun rises in the east, as in the east is a phrase. They sat on a wall. On a wall is also a phrase. There came a man to my door. To my door is also a phrase here. So these are the examples of phrases. So here is an activity like examine the group of words in the following sentences. You have to focus on the group of words. In the first sentence, like he has a ring of gold. Ring of gold, a ring of gold is a phrase. It's quite simple as we have learnt about it. He has a ring which is made of gold. Now in the next sentence, here is the sentence which has a gold ring but is the addition of some more words. Like he has a ring which is made of gold. Like क्या रिंग है और एडिशन किस चीज़ का है, विच का है, विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड. अब यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ विच, विच क्या है और इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड क्या है, और इस ये दोनों चीज़ें हम ऐड कर लेते हैं तो फिर ये क्या हो जाता है, क्या बन जाता है. तो विच इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट एंड इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड इज़ प्रेडिकेट. ओके, which is a subject and is made of gold is predicate. So we have added which and subject and predicate is added in a sentence. So let's see what is this. Such a group of words which forms part of a sentence and contains and subject and predicate. It's mean कि ऐसा part of sentence जिसमें आप सब्जेक्ट भी ऐड कर लेते हैं और प्रेडिकेट भी ऐड हो जाता है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्लॉज. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज क्लॉज. इसे हम क्लॉज बोलते हैं. ओके, अब देखें एग्जाम्पल्स. पीपल हु प्ले देयर डेब्ट्स आर ट्रस्टेड. हु इज अ सब्जेक्ट, पे देयर डेब्ट्स आर ट्रस्टेड. दिस इज प्रेडिकेट and it is forming a sentence, part of a sentence. So this is a clause. The underlined and the colored portion is clause. We cannot go out while it is raining. Here while is subject and it is raining is a predicate. So the complete underlined and colored portion is clause. I think that she has made a mistake. That is a subject. She has made a mistake means it's a predicate. So in this way it's a clause. Okay, you are seeing that the clause are starting from wh, o, who, while, that, and in the same way more other words like whose, whom, or that, how. All the words can be used for starting a clause in a sentence. Okay. This was our lesson about phrase and clause. Okay, we will meet with our next lesson. Okay, thank you so much.